so pupils, today we are going to learn on how to use Microsoft Excel. Understood?
Yes.
So today we are going to learn about on how we can enter the marks, on how we can define the total number, on how we can find the average, on how we can find the maximum number, as well as find minimum numbers. Okay, these are the names of people that they have done their exams. So what now is we are going to enter the marks of each one the pupil. Understood?
Yes.
You can read the name and tell me. So the first pupil was Adija. That's why I don't write her marks. You can fill in. Then we press enter. Understood?
Yes.
Then Zozi, Jamila, she has got 35. Then you enter to go to the next cell. Then you have Joshua. Joshua has got what? 67. Then enter. Followed by Imana. So it says Joshua. Then again 56. Then Emmanuel 67. Then John, it was 89. Followed by sorry, it was not 89. I just mistaken. Just a bit. It was 89. Then coming up, it was Salim. Then you got maybe Salim got 90. Hope, she got 87. Then Dominata, she got 40. Sorry, it was 34. Okay, pupils. Now, as you can see, this one is our chart. Then we have finished entering the marks of each pupil. Understood?
Yes.
Now, you know, computers is one that help us to simplify work. Understood?
Yes. So
now we want to know the total number, because sometimes you might be given a large number, maybe being given that judge was supposed to enter. Understood? You might be given maybe 1,000 pupils you have to enter the marks, so you cannot calculate it by using your head. Understood? For example, it's going to be the rest of your time. So what you have to do is you're going to use Microsoft Word, Excel is our sheet. Then what you have to do is we are clicking on cell. This one is cell. It means that it is written B1. It means it is B and B. Here it is what? It is 2. Understood?
Yes.
Then we are going to highlight it, directly coming down up to cell it is what? It is B13. Understood?
Yes.
Then what are we going to do? We are going here. This one is our list to home. Then you come to the which is called the auto sum. There is a small triangle here. What I will not click this is auto sum. You are going to click on what? A triangle. Understood? Click the triangles. You are going to there is what? Sum. It means summation. Summation means it is a total number of these what? Marks. You're going to find the total. The total you are going to sum. Understood it?
Yes.
Here to the sum. It means now the total marks of 13 students is 617. Understood?
Yes.
Then you have to find the average. Are you together?
Yes.
Then you come to, starting from Hadija, you're coming up to what? Rahma. Then you're coming up to what? To the auto sum. Isn't it?
Yes.
Then we have found the place where it has written the average. You got it? Average. So the average is 51.4166 Understood? So even if you approximate, it's going to be 51. Understood?
Yes.
Then here, maybe you have been given a large number of that. We have to know the maximum number and the minimum number. Which means the maximum number is what kind of number is bigger or is larger than the other numbers. Understood? So we are going directly to find which one number among that have been given. To find we are going to find the maximum number, coming up again to auto sum. Then this one is max, this one not min. So the max it means maximum. Min is minimum. So maximum here we're going to look on what? The maximum number. So we're going to look at the maximum number. Have you seen? Now our maximum number is what? 90. If you are going to check around to check out all these numbers, you're going to find that 90 is the biggest number. Understood? But also you have to find the smallest number. The smallest number, it is this one. Yes, then coming up to auto sum, then you are going to see which one is the smallest number. So we are coming to the minimum. Understood? So this is minimum, so the minimum will represent the smallest number among the that have been given. Understood? So this is the maximum.